Be in your limits. Be in your limits. Just shut up. Just shut up. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No manners at all. No manners at all. I am sick of you. I am sick of you. Lower your voice. Lower your voice. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? What the heck? What the heck? Are you insane? Are you insane? Here comes trouble. Here comes trouble. Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. Mark my words. Mark my words. How dare you? How dare you? Why does this always happen to me? Why does this always happen to me? This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. I've had enough of this. I've had enough of this. You are crossing the line. You are crossing the line. You are really testing my patience. You are really testing my patience. Stop it. I am serious. Stop it. I am serious. I can't stand this anymore. I can't stand this anymore. I won't tolerate this behavior. I won't tolerate this behavior. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You need to calm down before I lose my temper. You need to calm down before I lose my temper. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Stop annoying me. Stop annoying me. I am so done with this drama. I am so done with this drama. This is intolerable. This is intolerable. You will regret it. You will regret it. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Talk sense. Talk sense. Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. I won't spare you. I won't spare you. Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. I lose my temper when I'm angry. I lose my temper when I'm angry. Your words are full of bitterness. Your words are full of bitterness.